Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Biasi Advance, and I'd just like to take this opportunity to say how great Biasi boilers are. They're just keeping me in business. The more films I'm making on them, the more jobs I'm getting on them, so that's pretty good. But anyway, on this one, the hot water is working fine, but the central heating isn't. So in this film, we're gonna diagnose it, hopefully repair it. And if you enjoy the film, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, so first thing to do is put the demand on. We know the hot water's working fine. We already tell, well, the customer says that's working fine. So we got the demand on, and the radiator sign is not flashing. So I'm gonna make sure that the room stat is sending a signal back to the boiler. So I'm gonna do that, do a voltage check on that. Once I've done that, I know then the display board is faulty. Right, that's the display board, and if you look right at the bottom right, it looks like it's burnt. But that doesn't confirm that display board is faulty, so I'm just going to confirm that the room starts working fine. So I'm checking the voltage between 1 and 3. So what's happening is right guys, I've got this board. Unfortunately, it is firing up on central heating, but it's only on anti-frost. So I'm going to let him borrow it. It only goes up to 45-50 Celsius and then just goes off again. So at least I got some sort of central heating going. I'll have to come back later on today, or if I can't make it today, then it'll be tomorrow. So at least I'll give him something for today, for now. Yeah, that's working fine now. I think I got a dodgy. The one I put in, I think it's dodgy anyway. So I might just use it as a temporary. Sorry, dodgy board. Sorry? Yeah. That's it for now. Yeah, it's going to 60 now. So, how was it before when I left? Just warmish?
Yeah, just warmish, yeah.
Now it's going to 60 Celsius. Right guys, so to this one, the temperature is going up to normal AF flushing. When I started, right, they had no heating or hot water. They had hot water but no heating. So right guys, sorted this Biasi out. They had hot water but no heating. So I had a display board which worked on anti-frost only. It wasn't the right board for it, so I had to go out and get a new one. Change the board on it, it's all working fine. Now they got hot water and heating, hopefully. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now let's test the hot water out. Let's just make sure it is working. Wrong tap. That was working too.